In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and the most merciful, respectable teachers, staff and all of my friends, Assalamu alaikum. Kashmir is a place that is not less than heaven. The land is surrounded by beautiful mountains with beautiful lakes and garden of fruits. As we all know that what is the biggest intention is going in Asia is it was fixed before the partition that all the Muslim majority areas will be given to Pakistan and similarly remaining the Hindu majority areas will be given to India. But India doesn't want to give a beautiful area of Kashmir to Pakistan. So they sent their forces to Kashmir and occupied all the majority areas. The whole world was seeing what's going on here, but the whole world steals their eyes from this issue and then now they have regret about it. Every night the Kashmiri close their eyes with a dream that is not going to true from 1947. सुना है बहुत सस्ता है खून वहाँ का, सुना है बहुत सस्ता है खून वहाँ का, एक बस्ती है जिसे लोग कश्मीर कहते हैं. Just after the partition, when Pakistan acknowledged the thinking of India about Kashmir, they appealed to the United Nations about it. There are a number of resolutions that were done by the UN on Kashmir issue, but all are in vain. As we read books of big politicians of the world, they have clearly written that India have not to think that Kashmir is their property. As all of the Kashmiris from children to young and young to old, they have a single slogan on their lips: Kashmir banega Pakistan, inshallah. With the partition, the India government sent their army to occupy Kashmir and kill everyone who wants freedom. There are thousands of Kashmiris who lost their lives from the partition of subcontinent. याराने जहाँ कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, याराने जहाँ कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, जन्नत किसी काफिर को मिली है ना मिलेगी. It is true that Kashmir is the most beautiful places in the world and from them the people have faced so much, but peace be upon their strength and patience. They never felt disappointed and they have never felt that this is the property of India. Every Kashmiri wakes up with a prayer that this day will not be his last day in the world. It is true that they are held in jihad from the day they came into this world, but what can we say about it? Pakistan has always raised voice upon this issue and always called a word to stand up with Kashmir. 5th February is a Kashmir Solidarity Day, is a national holiday. Pakistan's Prime Minister himself went to the UN and there he made a historic speech that directly referred to as the voice of Kashmiris. The whole world is standing like they're on the other planet and cannot see Kashmir. Kashmiris are on the faith that it is better to die fighting for freedom than to live life enslaved. From this, it is clear that India is asserting their right to the property and never felt Kashmir is their property. So in the end, I would like to say Kashmir is not a part of India and it will never, inshallah. जुल्म सहते हुए इंसानों के इस मक्तल में, जुल्म सहते हुए इंसानों के इस मक्तल में कोई फ़िदा के तसव्वुर से कहाँ तक पहले. बड़ी जुल्मत है फिजाओं में अब तक जारी, बड़ी जुल्मत है फिजाओं में अब तक जारी, जाने कब खत्म हो इंसान के लहू की तकबीरें. थैंक यू.